I made a terrible $2,000 investment in CSGO, and in this video I'm gonna show you where it went wrong as well as what lessons I have learned from it. It has been a very long time since I've made any big mistakes in CSGO trading, and of course I had to jump right back on that and make some terrible decisions and lose myself some money. To introduce you to what happened, a little while ago on May 7th during my livestream, it was brought to my attention that Stockholm and Antwerp stickers have dropped down in price dramatically due to the introduction of the new Paris stickers, which look exactly like the older two tournament ones. Upon seeing how massively the stickers and capsules from those two tournaments have crashed, I spent a couple minutes reflecting and I decided that I'm gonna invest. And I didn't just invest into any stickers or capsules randomly. I chose a specific set of stickers from the teams that are not playing in the Paris majors. I thought that since they're not going to be in the capsules from the Paris major, then they shouldn't drop as much, and upon seeing that those stickers have dropped already like 35-40% down in price, I made my mind quite quickly to invest $2,000 into those stickers. My investments were as such: $1,000 into Cloud9 Holo from Antwerp 2022, around $300 into the Copenhagen Flames from both majors, $150 into Antwerp Holo Stockholm, another $350 from the Tyloo Holo from Stockholm, and a couple hundred more spread through like Astralis from both majors, PGL Holo sticker, and U-Nation Glitter from Rio 2022. On the example of this sticker, which is the biggest investment I made, I bought it around May 7th, right about here. On Steam it was around 35 euros back then. And if we look at the current Steam price, it is 29 euros. So it's actually pretty bad. It's around 20% down. But of course I didn't buy them on Steam because Steam balance is really hard to get, especially at that time. So I bought them on buff for around 26 something euros. In the weeks after that, it has gone up to 32 euros, which is a really high number. At that time, I probably would have been better off just selling those stickers on Steam because they weren't tradable at that time, so I actually could have saved the investment. But no, I chose to hold them because I wanted to move them to Skinport specifically. I needed to wait 2 weeks, and as it turned out, that was a little bit of a suicide mission. The stickers kept plummeting and plummeting and plummeting and plummeting up until a low of 18 euros on buff, which was 40% down from the price that I bought them at. Around a week after I bought them, they were around still 18-19 euros on buff. And luckily, I didn't sell them on buff. I continued with my original plan. I moved them to Skinport, and the price ended up going up. It's around 23 euros currently. The price is still about 15% lower than what I paid for them, but I hope the fact that Skinport oftentimes has inflated prices for these kind of items, because of that I hope to be able to either break even or maybe even make a tiny profit on these specific ones. But of course, I'm not able to sell them all at once. It has to take some time because I have so many of them, right? I have over 30 of these things. Because of that, I started selling them little by little, and the first batch that I sold was a 9% loss, which is not as bad as a 15% loss, but it's still a loss. Currently, I'm trying to sell these things on Skinport for $28.60, which is about the same price as on Steam, so therefore they're not actually gonna sell fast at all. They might sell once per day at best. But at least selling at this price only puts me at a €1 loss per item, which is only 5% lost. Some of you probably want to ask me, why am I selling them if I've dipped so much? Why I'm not holding out for them to grow more? Well, the thing is, my original plan was to sell them within 1 month. And what happens after 1 month? Well, let me show you. The Paris sticker capsules, which we all love and hate, are going to go on discount to about 25-cent price in-game. And well, since these capsules are gonna go on discount, all the stickers, all the Paris stickers from these capsules also will go down in price, proportionally to what the capsules went down in price themselves. And because the new Paris stickers lose in value, the older Antwerp and Stockholm stickers that are repeat stickers, they will also go down, such as Navi, Furia, Nip, whatever else, FaZe. All those are teams that have stickers which are repeated in the Paris major. So because of that, the older stickers will also go down in price. And because some of the stickers from within the capsule will go down in price, the capsule itself will go down in price, as it has already done so quite a bit. And finally, the last step of this logic chain, since the capsule goes down in price, those stickers that are not being repeated, such as Cloud9, they will also go down in price. That's why I want to get rid of them in a month. And so far, it's obviously really good that they've risen up in price. It saved me about 20% worth of losses. I'm really grateful for that, but I'm afraid that if I wait, I don't sell them, they will continue dropping in price. So I really want to make the best I can out of this situation, even though it's not a great situation. You know, originally the reason I invested into these stickers in the first place was because I thought they've reached the bottom price they could be up until the discount, right? My plan was to get them at this low price, sell them within 1 month, then the discount for the Paris capsules comes, and then I buy those same stickers again for a much lower price and be able to invest into them again, but with a much larger capital, because I thought I was going to profit from this investment. The reason I thought those stickers have reached their bottom price was due to the capsules themselves having reached the price of the new Paris capsules. So right, when these capsules were around 85-87 cents on Steam, I thought that they've bottomed out. I thought that because the new Paris capsules were 95 euro cent in game, the Antwerp ones having reached 90 cents would be the bottom of the price they would reach in the near future. But unfortunately, due to currencies mismatched and inflation and so on, in countries like Turkey, Argentina, you were able to buy these things in game for like 60 or 50 cents, which is much cheaper than 95 euro cent. So people would just buy them in those countries and then sell them on Steam for basically a little profit, but still a profit. And this would absolutely crash the price on the market for these capsules. And obviously, since the Legend stickers crashed to around 60 something cent, the Antwerp and the Stockholm ones also had to crash to around 60 something cent. That is just unfortunate, and that's when they bottomed out. And now, I'm not sure of this, but I think Valve may have regulated the price in those regions basically so that the currency is not as incorrect as it used to be. Now the price of these Paris capsules keeps rising, and similarly for the same reason the Antwerp and Legends ones also keep rising, and that's why my stickers also rose. There's a chance that they might rise a little bit more, but when the discount does come, I'm 100% certain these stickers and capsules will crash again. I think you kind of understand what my logic was there, why I invested so much money into these things and why I had so much faith into them. You can see that I still have a lot of these sitting in my inventory, and I hope to be able to sell them quite soon because they are a very big danger to my inventory. In hindsight, I should not have rushed making this decision. I made it live on stream, so I didn't have much time to think about it. I should have just taken a day to think about it, meditate, see the ups and downs and so on. And looking at it now, if I had just waited 1 day longer, this peak would have happened and then I wouldn't have invested into them, just kind of lost hope, and then see them fall and fall again and fall again. So my conclusion to make here is that I should not be in a hurry making investment decisions in CSGO, because absolutely every single time I make a mistake, it's because I made a decision when I was in a hurry. I do not remember a time when I spent like days and days thinking about an investment and then made it and it didn't end up working out. When I make a decision on the spot, that's when it backfires, that's when I lose money. So maybe you should also implement that into your trading and flipping and investing activity, and maybe it'll save you some losses. And I'm also really thankful to the fact that on Skimport I'm able to sell these stickers for a little bit more than I'm able to sell them on Buff, for example. And because of that, this investment is a little bit saved. If you want to check out Skimport yourself, you can do so by the link in the description. That's gonna help me out quite a bit and maybe help me recoup some of the losses that I got from this investment. But that's it for now. Hopefully I'm not gonna make too many more, let's say, investment mistakes. I have a couple more that I made in this recent times, mostly due to the fact that the market crashed, but it's not necessarily something I could have seen coming, right? I just kept flipping and flipping and flipping up until I had to lose some because the market regulated. But that's a little bit different than this, right, topic that we talked about. Well, that is it for this video. I promise to be a lot more active on YouTube because I really decided I want to try and improve myself and improve the YouTube channel overall. So please subscribe, share the video, like it, and so on. I love you. See you later. Bye bye.